Hi, I'm Janice Stewart, owner of Modern Cleaning with my husband Tom Stewart. I'd like to introduce you to the philosophy and criteria we developed for evaluating and selecting the equipment we recommend for use with the Modern Cleaning chemical-free cleaning methodology. There are four main categories of equipment used in many general cleaning procedures, but particularly in low-impact and chemical-free cleaning procedures. These are the multifiltration vacuum system, ultramicrofiber, dry steam vapor, and cleaning and sanitizing sprays. The wet work, which includes kitchens and bathrooms, is where we typically find ourselves reaching for the nearest cleaning and disinfecting chemical. Growing and even conflicting research claims about the harmful effects of the many synthetic and natural chemicals in our everyday products have opened up the need for basic home needs to be met with as few or even no chemicals at all. We like dry steam vapor, or DSV, because it cleans, sanitizes, and deodorizes in one operation and greatly reduces the need to use cleaning chemicals. DSV contains no more than 7% water, which is less than the humidity in the air, hence the term dry steam. Here are the criteria we use to evaluate a DSV machine. Sanitization or disinfection claims are important to note. All DSV systems can clean, sanitize, and deodorize. Although heat is the functional agent in killing pathogenic microorganisms, it is not sufficient enough to claim disinfection. Only one DSV system carries a U.S. EPA establishment number as a disinfection device. This particular DSV system cleans the surface of a wide variety of pathogenic organisms in 7 seconds. Other DSV systems require more time to sanitize and disinfect, but many surfaces cannot tolerate exposure to the heat for the required length of time without being damaged. Your dry steam vapor system is most effective as a cleaner and disinfection device when it includes the Tanks disinfection system from Advanced Vapor Technologies. Currently, the only dry steam vapor system with tanks is the Ladybug line offered by Advanced Vapor Technologies. The tank system is what significantly reduces the time it takes the dry steam vapor to achieve disinfection to just 7 seconds rather than 30 seconds to a full minute with other dry steam vapor standard steam cleaners. Such a long dwell time increases the risk of damaging surfaces. Your DSV system should have both a reservoir and a boiler. This allows you to continuously fill the machine with water. You fill the reservoir with water and the machine pumps the water from the reservoir into the boiler to heat it. The resulting steam vapor is then continuously available to clean with. You only have to pause in your work to refill the reservoir when you hear a warning beep. Depending upon the size of the reservoir and the boiler, you can work 1 to 2 hours between refills. If the machine only has a boiler, which unfortunately is common among cheaper, smaller steam vapor systems, when you run out of water, you must wait for the machine to cool off so it is safe to open the boiler cap. This could take as long as 20 to 30 minutes. Once cool, you then have to refill it with water, turn it back on, and wait for the water in the boiler to reheat. This could take another 10 to 15 minutes. For professional use, the machine should have a genuine low-pressure boiler, not just an enclosed chamber like an iron. Only a boiler will give you sufficient heat to produce a true dry steam vapor. The boiler should be stainless steel, the gold standard for a pressurized vessel, not aluminum or cast iron. An aluminum boiler is more susceptible to degradation from minerals in the water. Due to the effects of constant heating and cooling over time, aluminum boilers tend to warp and leak, affecting other components in the steam vapor system. Cast iron, on the other hand, is too heavy and fragile at high temperatures and very likely to crack with rough use. The machine should reach a boiler temperature within the range of 280 to 310 degrees Fahrenheit. Otherwise, you don't get enough heat at the surface where you are working to get any cleaning done. Ideal DSV temperature to clean with is 220 to 230 degrees at the point where the steam emerges from the cleaning appliance. The hotter the water temperature, the drier the steam, and the faster soil can be removed. It is also important to know how and with what material the boiler is insulated. Boilers are insulated to keep heat in the boiler and to avoid